This is my personal IBM Cloud account, and today I'll be showing how to create a chatbot that you can integrate with WhatsApp. So, from what we will be developing the chatbot here, but from WhatsApp itself, we can directly uh, talk to the chatbot. So, for that, we will use integration with Twilio. So, if you create a Twilio account, you will have an option to get a mobile number that Twilio provides, and this is the one that I have. Now if you go to this section, messaging, and send a WhatsApp message, it will let you configure WhatsApp. So let me show how it is done. So basically we have to send a message to this one with this code. So if you scan this QR, uh, when you log in with your account, you will have a QR related to your mobile number. If you scan this QR, you will be able to send this message directly to this mobile number. Then the next step starts. So let me do that. So there was issue with the QR. So what I had done was, there was button on the left hand side, and I had clicked that one. It opened a new tab. In new tab there was a URL. Yeah, this one. See, it when I clicked on that button instead of the QR, it opened this one in new tab. I copied this link and sent it to one of my contact in my message, and using that link I was able to send a message. With that, I clicked on next, and finally I'm in the wrap up step. So all the settings are done. Next, what we have to do is we have to go to the sandbox setting, and here we have to choose what happens when a message comes in. So currently it says when message comes in, it has to send a post request to this URL. Now we will have to replace this with a new URL that we will get from the IBM Cloud. So we'll try the Watson Assistant, and from there we will get a URL. Let me go back. So here we are in IBM Cloud. Let me search for Watson. This is Watson Assistant. I'm using a light account, so I didn't had to use any credit card. But I think nowadays when I Google for creating a new light account, it doesn't allow. So maybe when I created, there was a way to create a light account, but now if you create an account, it will generally ask you to add credit card. You will get some credit of 200 or something dollars, and that you can use it in some time, and after that it will pay as you go. But this one I created long back, and that time there was a light account available where I didn't had to use any credit card. But this is now limits me to using only few of the services. For some of the services I just get a button upgrade to use. So for this one, Watson Assistant, it works in light account, so I can just use this light plan. I read and agree, create. Let me pause while it is creating. Okay, it's done. So now I can see a launch Watson Assistant button, and I have a URL and API key. So this we don't need as of now. We'll go to launch Watson Assistant. So we are creating our first assistant. Let's name it just bot. No description is needed. Next. As of now, I will give web. Later, I will add WhatsApp also. So initially, let's choose web. Which industry? This one. I'll choose anything. Okay, so our assistant is created now. No, sorry, there is a create button. Now it will be created. It's done. So now we can go to this actions part where we need to create some action. Start from scratch. uh, what does your customer say to start this instruction? So let's say customer says hi, then assistant says hello, or let me give some option to user. Hello, choose one, and let me give some option. One, two. New step. This one I will say with condition. So if user would have chosen one, so this condition is hello chooses is one. If the user would have chosen one, what will assistant say? Let's say you chose one. And I will duplicate this. This one is for two. It will say two. So let me save this one. Save. So if I deploy this, publish. Okay, it's live. So if I go to preview, I can start with hi. Reply hi, hello, choose one. I will say two. And to reply me whatever I configured. So next thing is WhatsApp integration that we can do here. In environments, we can see currently only web chat is integrated. So we have to catalog. Web is there, phone is there, WhatsApp with Twilio. I'll add this one. Started account SID. Now it needs my account SID. This is from my Twilio. My Twilio account will have an SID. Log into my Twilio again in another tab. Once again, I will log in again and I will resume. So as you can see, after login at the home screen, I have the account SID and the auth token. So I will use this, copy these and paste it in IBM Cloud. I'll take this one first and here I will enter. Next, it requires the auth token now. I'll go back, auth token. So now it has returned me a webhook URI. This one I will have to copy and paste it in Twilio. So here, if I in this new tab again, if I go to messaging, send a WhatsApp. Here in the sandbox setting, I'll have to replace it with whatever I copied from IBM Cloud. And after clicking on the save, it is ready. So I will pause for a second and I will bring up my WhatsApp window and I will show you how it works. So this is the Twilio account that I used, and I close this one. I'll just okay. I have already typed hi. It asked me to choose one, so I will just enter once the same thing. So one will give me you choose one. Now the flow is over. I'll say again hi. It will ask me same thing. Choose one. I can either enter either type one, two, or the numbers. So let me say two this time. And it will give me the same response. Now let me do a live change and I will demonstrate how it gets reflected immediately. So I'll finish this one, close. If we go back to our environments, now we can see along with web chat we have WhatsApp with Twilio also. And let me go to actions. This is our action. Let's say I need to add one more option here. Edit response. I will say an option United States. I'll apply it and I'll duplicate this one. This one I will say if the user uses United States, that time it should respond go book a. Now at this point I have to use a variable, so for now let me just save it. I will show how to use the variables. So this one variables created by you, currently nothing is there, so let me name one US ticket. Value I will give 10,000 and choose a type. It is a number 10,000. I'll save. Now if I go back to created by you, this high, this United States one, here I can give a variable. You can click this function and it will give you this session variable. Here you can see all the variables that you have created. So I'm giving US ticket, saving it, and then I will deploy it. So if I close, publish, okay, our version 2 is ready. First we check in the web. So if you preview, if I say hi, now it will give me three options. I'll go back to WhatsApp. If I say hi here, it will give me three options now. If I say United, okay, did not catch. I will have to either enter the number or have to enter a whole. And let me give a typo. Okay, yeah, see, this time it understood. Even though there was a typo, it gave me the proper response that we had set for United States. It costs and looks like it is not able to pick the price. Let me try here. Here it is returning the price, but in WhatsApp somehow it is not. There is some issue, not sure why it is not picking.